Hi, welcome to Technology Platform. So let me continue on the second session. So earlier sessions we talked about how to capture the values in the cell, that is like row value or column values. Now how to use the functions. So the continuation of the sessions, like how to use the functions. Here I want to demonstrate here. So now uh, in the previous example, so I'm just adding another row B. So in that also I'm capturing only three values just for our sample. Now here I'm adding 1, 2, 3, and these values capturing in two columns. Now if we run F5, the book one value will be showing like this. Sorry. So now let me run this. So I captured here 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Now I will add this, and I have to capture here. So how do I do that? Let me see here. Now this is C values. Now let me check this C, and then I just simply adding this plus B, A plus B. Now I'm going to run this. If you go to Excel sheet, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 3 6. Now this I want to do via function. So this is we directly used in this same sub process, but I want to take a separate session and then I want to call that function. So how do I do that? So for that I'm using function as a keyword in function. So the function name is simply I will put it like some function, and I want to pass variable. So parameter. I will mention like param1 as this is integer value, comma param2 as integer. So now this is a function. Assume that b plus c, that is a equal to b plus c. This is what we want to do. For example, a equal to b plus c. So the result a is 1 plus 1 equal to a equal to 2. So this is what we want to do that. For this, we created a function here. Now I'm not doing anything. I just simply put it like same function equal to param1 plus param2. So this is what I want to do. So I told you like a equal to b plus c. The same thing I'm using some function param1 plus param2. So now instead of this, let it be. So we can put it in d value. Let's see in b. So here I'm going to call some function, open bracket, close bracket. Now if you see this, if you open, I'm getting this param1 as integer and param2 as integer. So the param1 as integer and param2 as integer is like this one. Oh, I removed this. For example, this one, this one. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So this is param1 and this is param2. Now see this some function. What is the parameter I want to pass? So the same thing, I'm simply using this. This is one of the function. I'm not going to use plus. Instead of that, I'm using comma. Comma, the param2 value is b. Now I'm closing this. Now if you see here, the sum function a comma b. we'll call it out here. Now let me run it in debug mode. F8, again F8, 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 F8. Now if you see here, the value is 1, value is 1 here. Now 1, 1, so this will be 2, 2. The same value, some function. Now this will goes to here. The param1 value is 1, param2 value is 1 because the a value 1, 1, 2. So you click here 1, 1, 2, end function, this is 2. So we no need do anything here. So instead of that, we can use it as a functions to achieve the process. Now I will press F5. Now you will go to the Excel sheet and you can see the same result. So this is not only for sum. So whatever you want to do it. For example, now what I'm going to do here is like parameter, and instead of that I will put it like 10 into 10. You can do it. So now what I'm going to do here is like I want to run it. Sample run. Now see this 20, 40, 60. So let me run it one by one here. 1, 1, 1. So if it is very difficult for you to find out what is happening here and there, for that you can use debug.print. So let me end it. I'll show you here. Go to view. Immediate window is there. Now click on this immediate window. Here debug.print. Use this value if possible or not. We'll see this. Now debug.print. Now let me run it F8 mode. F8, again F8, again F8, again F8. Now see this, immediate window is 1. Okay, so let me add it here, something like this, in a double quotation, first value. And then I will put and. Let me stop this and rerun again. Run it, F8, 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 the first value 1. So if you have any difficulties, then you can put it like the first value is and space. Clear this, stop this, F8, 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 F8. Now you will see this first value is 1. So the same thing, I'm going to use it. D. Now I used to here second value. And I want to use it here, the sum. I'll use D because D is the sum function. So now we can run it F8. The second value is 1. Functions, call it out. Now the sum result value is 20. So here you can use this debug.print and then you can get it whatever you need. So it is not only you can do it minus or whatever it is. That's yours. So whatever you can see it here and then you can clear it and rerun so that this won't be create any confusions and this is a simple for each and then how to use the function. So why I'm using function here is like in the next video to access the folders and access the files by using functions. So if you understand this clearly, then that is easy to understand without any confusion. So we can See you in the next video to continue this session. Thanks.